Two-piece sets, one of my favorite things because it makes getting ready so easy and you automatically look put together and it's cost effective and super cute and chic. I have over 20 two-piece sets for you that are high-end looks for less. If you're watching for your TV or your iPad, you can go ahead and scan the QR code on screen here and it'll take you to everything in this video. I'm going to put everything in one master list down below. That way you can see the pictures with everything that I'm talking about. It's going to be easier to find rather than going back and forth between YouTube and Amazon, YouTube and Amazon, or Facebook and Amazon. I do post these videos also on Facebook. Also, YouTube and Facebook don't love when you're going in and out of their platforms. So just to make it easy and friendly for everyone, click that one master list so that you can see everything. Oh, and if you are brand new here, I am 41 years young. I have 4 children, ages 5 through now 12. Me and my husband both work full time and are entrepreneurs. So I love outfits that are easy, that I can put together quickly, but I feel really good in. And I saved some of the best for last. I mean, all these are amazing, but just happens to be how it turned out. I didn't plan it, but stay tuned. Oh, and you're gonna notice a lot of green in this video. Green is really hot right now, and for whatever reason, I am very drawn to the color. So all of these pieces come in multiple color options. So if you don't love the one that I'm showing you here today, rest assured there's a color that you're probably gonna love. This green and pink set, oh my goodness, the ruffle neck on here. It has the half zip detail. I love that the shoulders are a little bit longer here, so you don't have to worry about a bra strap hanging out or something like that. This is long enough so that you could half tuck it, you could fully tuck it, you can leave it completely open. In fact, almost all of these two-piece sets, you have a lot of options. Leave it open or tuck it in the front if you want a little bit more of a refined, put together look. So do what feels right for you. Oh, did I mention I am 5'7" and everything I purchased here is in a size small. I have longer legs than the average 5'7" person, I would say. So just also keep that in mind when you are looking at sizing for yourself. Love the ruffle detail here on the shorts. This is something that I'm going to wear every day, throw it on in the spring and the summer, depending upon where you are living. And I also just love this really beautiful green and pink color combination. It has the adjustable tie here on the front. Super, super comfortable, really excellent quality material too. This beautiful like two-piece set everyone's gonna want in their closet. It has the adjustable spaghetti straps here. I fell in love with this. This is very comfortable. I love the length on the pants, lightweight enough. It also has the tie detail here on the front for your waist, so you could tuck this tank top in or leave it completely open. This could be a lounge set. This could be pajamas, but you could really dress this up for the office, put a blazer over top, a nice kitten heel if you want to, and then you can transition this to a nighttime look, or you can completely leave this as a lounge set. This right here, this base layer, super versatile, and can I just say the quality felt so good. I want to know, does it come in multiple color options? I cannot remember offhand. It also has pockets on here. So happy with this. This gorgeous green, it's not an, I would say this is an emerald green. I'm not quite sure what they're calling it here in the listing, but this just stunning and beautiful. It has pockets on it. This one is more lightweight, very airy, very sophisticated. I love that the top is longer, very effortless, sort of bohemian chic, if you will. Again, dress this up, dress this down. You could wear this with some white sneakers. You could wear a kitten heel. If you wanted to dress this up for a date night, I would do some like chunky gold jewelry, maybe a really, really beautiful gold heel or black heel. I mean, the possibilities are endless, but again, a great lounge set. I'm in love with this two-piece set. This just fit so nice. It also has this really nice white block detail here on the side, also on the sleeve and at the bottom of the pant. I think this one looks incredible untucked, very comfortable running errands, going to the grocery store, hanging out at your house. If you work from home and you want to look nice, if you're on a Zoom meeting or you're talking with some clients or your boss or whatnot, you still look nice and put together up top, but you're also very comfortable. Sneakers, a black sandal. You can see with all of these, I just wore one of my favorite black chunky sandals that I've had for a couple years. They're so comfortable. They go with so many different things, but you can see here it looks great with both. This little number right here I absolutely fell in love with. I'm loving me some yellow. This material feels so good. What's nice about this skirt is you can pull it up, so if you do not want to show your midriff, which I like sometimes a little bit modest midriff, if you know what I mean, I think that can still look nice when you're in your 40s and even in your 50s, just depending upon your style and just how you wear certain pieces. I think it can look really nice and classy classy. I love the length on this as well. And this top, very, very comfortable, very chic. Wear this with some nice white tennies. I just love this. I love the thicker straps here, so you can wear probably one of your most comfortable bras, if you will. You could throw on a nice white sweatshirt over top here on your shoulders if you want a little bit more coverage, or if it's a little bit cooler in the morning, you're taking your dog for a walk, you're just getting your steps in. This is a super versatile, sporty outfit, yet the quality of the material feels very high end. And it has the built-in shorts, which I absolutely love. This all green ruffle number here on the neck, this is a little bit different than the green and the pink one that I showed you at the beginning of this video. It is the half zip detail. I love it has a little bit of a puff sleeve. The sleeves are long enough so that you don't have to worry about your bra hanging out here on the side. I know that's a concern. I tend to just wear nude bras in the summer anyway. That way it's not, I mean, I don't know. What's the best way to describe it? It still looks nice and put together. Ruffle detail here down below. This is also a short slash skort. Nice stretchy waistband. This green color. Thumbs up here if you are also loving green this spring and into the summer. I love this two-piece set, especially in this gorgeous pink milkshake color. It has the white piping detail. This is a high-end look for less, very comfortable. What I love about this is you could do a white tank top, a white t-shirt under this, and then if it gets a little bit warmer in the afternoons, which it tends to here in Minnesota, especially in the summer months. I mean, the mornings can be a little bit chilly depending upon what time you're out. If you're going for a walk, you're taking your animal for a walk, or yourself for a walk, just throw this over your shoulders. I love this gorgeous skort. So this is also great for golfing. All four of my kids are going to be taking some golf and tennis lessons this summer, so I'm trying to find pieces that work for any time of the day, but also meet that particular etiquette. Fun fact, I paid my way through college by driving the beverage cart at our local country club, and so I would golf all the time. I am not a great golfer, by the way, but I definitely love doing it. And my husband and I, we haven't done it for, I mean, it's been a while since we've gone golfing, but Bree kids, we go all the time, but we're going to be getting back into that again, and I should definitely get myself some lessons. But all that to say, one of my favorite things about golfing, other than being outside, getting exercise, is the attire. I love the attire. Let me know in the comments box below if you can relate to me on that one, but loving this. This waffle knit two-piece set, this is like in my top 10. I love this. I love the fit on it. It's very casual, very coastal feel. And this green color, it's kind of like a lime green or a pea green, if you will. It has nice pockets here on the back, and on the front, it has a collared neck here. Very comfortable, throw and go. You look put together, you look very chic. This is a high-end look for less because there's so much that you can do with this two-piece set. You can quick run errands, do whatever you need to around your house. I love this. I need to check to see what other color options they have in this because I want all of the colors. This is a really fun, chic two-piece set, and especially in this green color here, a different variation, kind of like I showed you previously, but this is a thicker material. The pants are longer on this. I like, so if you want to put a heel on this, you certainly can. And this is a tube top with asymmetrical here on the side, which is very different than the other pieces that I showed you. And then on the inside, this is double lined, so if you could put on some nibbies or cakes, whatever you prefer. If you do want to wear a strapless bra, you certainly can do that. You can dress this up. You can wear this for everyday wear depending upon what you style this with, but such a fun piece. This two-piece set, super timeless, and I love it here with the light pink, sort of salmon color. Cuffs here down below, so it really elevates this two-piece set. It has a cap sleeve shoulder here, which is really nice. What's particularly nice about this tank top is it has this extra fabric here in the armhole area, so it's going to cover your bra or anything else that you're wearing underneath. You can tuck this in, leave it out completely flowy and airy and effortless. This is one of those pieces you put on, maybe you don't have to wear any jewelry, but if you have some jewelry that you particularly like, a really nice pair of tennis shoe or a really comfortable sandal, and you are put together, put a little sweatshirt over your shoulders if you want to add a little touch of sophistication, a little bit more put togetherness and function, because it can get a little bit cooler in the spring and the summer depending upon where you're going and the air conditioner and where you are living. So super versatile outfit. This little two-piece set here, I showed this in a previous video in, I think it was like a pinkish purple color, and I loved it so much. This stonewash, very popular right now, but here I got it in the green. This is a skort, but I love that this one's a little bit different. It's got the slit here on the left-hand side. The shoulder, the tank top here, the shoulders are a little bit thicker, so you can wear a really nice comfortable bra. It's a little bit of a crop top, but not too crop, if you know what I mean. So your belly is not going to be hanging out. And again, on my frame, I think this fits so nicely. I think this would fit so many different frames, and I love this color. It's just a little bit different, and I guarantee guarantee if you were to wear this, you would get asked, especially in this color combination, like, oh my gosh, where did you get that? It is super cute. Moving into this one, I love a good long sleeve two-piece set. It has sort of this, I don't know, like a beige, milky white piping detail here, block color details, often what this is referenced as. It has the drawstring front here, so this is fully adjustable. It's a skirt, but underneath you can see here it has the shorts, and I love that it's also a skirt in the back, so you wouldn't necessarily know, is it truly a skirt or is it really a skort? Effortless. This is a Free People look for less, and the quality on this is so nice, and I do know this comes in a lot of different color options. This fun little two-piece set, I love this. So there's a lot of versatility with this one. We have these gorgeous shorts. There's a scallop detail down below, so I think this just adds an extra element of girliness and whatnot, so you can wear this around your house. If you put some tennis shoes on with this, I think you could definitely wear this out and about. And this scallop detail here on the cardigan is really nice. A little bit of a puff sleeve detail, which I think is really fun. What I would do is I'd probably wear a white tank top under this. I would open this up, and if it did get a little bit warmer, then I could put this around my shoulder or tie this around my waist. So it's sort of like taking a biker short, which is really popular, and you have a more elevated biker short, if you will. You have that same look, and then I would pair this with some white sneakers. Really fun black colored two-piece set. The material on this is so nice. This is almost like wrinkle resistant, so if you are doing some traveling or sitting in a vehicle or at a sporting game where you're sitting down a lot, I know baseball season is like hot, hot, hot. My youngest son is gonna be starting here very soon. Nice pockets here on the front. Love the short, the orange and the green, very fun color combination. Thicker sleeves here, which is also great for summer. You don't have to worry about your shoulders getting burned if you're going to be doing a lot of walking, and this material is just nice and lightweight. It feels sort of like, it's kind of like satiny, silky, stretchy. Oh my gosh, this is like top 5 right here. This butter yellow two-piece set. Just this knit detail, high quality, feels so good, but also very lightweight. What I love about this is, one, it just fits really nicely. It just hugs the body, but very flowy, sort of bohemian all at the same time. Again, piece you can dress up. You could even wear this to the office depending upon the shoe that you wear it in, a closed-toe shoe, and then a nice blazer over top, and I would just roll the sleeves. And then when you're gonna go out, you're gonna, do drinks with your girlfriend, you're gonna, go out and do, dinner or something, appetizers. On the back here, it is a tie. And I just had a nude bra underneath, and I think it looked really beautiful. I don't think that it looked tacky. It's a CRZ bra, which I absolutely love. And if I remember to, I will link it for you down below, as well as the sandals that I wore here by the brand Dream Pairs. I love them. Again, they've held up for several years, but I just love this. So in the front, it's like very put together, and then in the back, you just have this very beautiful detail. You can mix and match these pieces, so you could just wear this with a white t-shirt or a white tank top. I think that would look beautiful in a pair of tennis shoes or a really comfortable pair of sandals. But there's a lot you could do with this. You could wear this in and of itself for a nice summer piece, put a nice flowy, maybe a bubble skirt with this. The possibilities are endless. We're getting down there. Gorgeous pink and green color combination. Can you tell that I love this? In fact, I've been seeing this color combination all over the interwebs too, from all different ages, from 20 up until 50s. I just think it looks beautiful on everyone. This is a skort, so it looks like a skirt all the way around, but underneath you can see there are some nice shorts. It has the elastic drawstring, so you can adjust it as needed. You can tuck this in, you could front tuck it depending upon how you're feeling. This is a Free People look for less, lightweight and airy material, great for baseball games, soccer games, whatever you have going on this summer. This is also great for lunch depending upon the accessories that you pair it with. I love this two-piece set. It's just basic, and sometimes when things look super basic, they actually can tend to look more high-end and expensive than they actually are. This really beautiful sort of army green color. I love the pockets here on the front, and then we just have a nice basic t-shirt over top. Now this is by the brand Automat, and I bought so many of their products before. They are really great quality. This combination right here makes me very, very happy. Again, a lot you can do with this. I would wear this on a date night depending upon the heel and where you're going. So I live near a lot of lakes here in Minnesota, so I'd put this probably with a nice rattan chunky sandal, and I'd put on some nice jewelry, a really cute purse. You are set. I'd probably put something over top, like little bit layers, like a white cardigan, a button up, and I think really, really cute. Okay, this two-piece set right here is probably hands down my absolute favorite. I can't tell you why, other than it feels very effortless, very sort sort of bohemian, if you will, athletic bohemian, just based upon how it fits. And this color combination just screams spring to me. It makes me feel very peaceful, very happy. I love the long sweater that's oversized, so I'd put a t-shirt underneath. I'd put a white tank top, so if it gets a little bit warmer, I can tie this around my waist or around my shoulders, or I could ditch it completely. I love that this is oversized, so if you're staying at a resort or on vacation or you're traveling, you just want to put something on over top in the beginning of the day, in the morning when you're having your breakfast, or even in the evening. You just kind of want to get out of your day clothes, throw something on, go for a walk on the beach when the sun's setting. It's a little bit cooler. Like, I should just put this on right now. And this one, I gotta check, does this come in multiple color options? We'll put it on screen now so that you can see, but I want all of it. I want all of them. I love it. This is viral all over the interwebs, and it has been, and I just got this one here in more of a neutral color because neutral is timeless in your closet. I also love a lot of color. This is so versatile. Wear this to tennis, wear this to golf, wear this to run your errands, wear this to the baseball game. This is also a Free People look for less, for a fraction of the cost. I do know that this comes in a lot of different color options. So many beautiful color options. In fact, it was hard to select, but I had so much pink and green and other vibrant colors. I just wanted something a little bit more of a neutral tone. We have the half zip top here, so you can zip it down depending upon how you're feeling. You can leave the collar popped, you can roll the collar, tuck it in, leave it completely open. I think all of these shorts fit really nice. They were not too short, especially considering I did have a block heel on here so that you can see a block sandal, and my legs being a little bit longer, and I just love this. Obsessed with this next two-piece set and this color combination. I don't know what we would call this material, but this is like pretty much wrinkle resistant. This is excellent for travel. This is one of those two-piece sets that you could really dress up, or you could leave it very casual, very loungy around your house. I saw this on a model on Amazon, and the woman must have been, I would say, like in her late 50s to early 60s, but she like really made this out. Like, she sold it for me being 41. This woman is like, I mean, almost half my age, because she was probably like, God, I'm not great with ages. Let me know if you can relate to this one. She was probably 56, 58 or something, but she was wearing this, and I'm like, I am obsessed with this. This is another one I need to go in and check. Does this come in multiple color options? I was actually going to wear this for the sit down portion of this video here today, but this is a top that I shared in a previous video. I've actually shared it a couple times because it is such a hot seller. So I will link the entire spring fashion playlist down in the description box below, and all of these pieces will transition really nicely into the summer. I mean, I have swimsuits, resort wear looks, I have date night tops, I have dress tops, I have just everyday spring summer tops, pants, I mean, literally everything that you could possibly want. So if you are someone who likes to shop on Amazon, but you like to see it on a real person other than a model, you're in the right spot. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button, because currently I've been uploading every Tuesday and every Saturday some of the best pieces so that you can find something that works for you. And last but not least, another green two-piece set, but in a different variation. This green color right here feels very peaceful, very calming. Beige block detail here on the piping detail here along the shoulder and then around the neck, but also on the skirt. This is simply a skirt. This does not have the skort, so just different options here for you. Tie drawstring waist, piping detail all along the bottom. Great, very versatile outfit. I love, again, when it has a little bit longer of a sleeve, so it's cooler in the morning, you are good to go. But if it gets a little bit hotter and you want something a little more lightweight and airy, you're gonna have a tank top underneath so that you can take this off should you need to if it's a little bit warmer of a climate. But all of these pieces transition so nicely depending upon what you have going on this spring and summer. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram at Andrea Jean Co, because I post on there, I mean, I don't know, almost every single day. I'm also very active on Facebook at Andrea Jean Co. Let me know your favorite piece down below in that comments box. And we have got to keep the fun going. So click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.